Hello! In this video, we're going to explore how to send a template message to a specific customer using the Trikon's WhatsApp platform. Sound good? First off, we have the option to send a template message to customers when their 24-hour window has closed. When that happens, you'll see a prompt like this. Simply tap on Select Template and choose any of the approved templates. Most of the time, these templates are pre-approved, so you can go ahead and select the one you prefer. There are also filters available to help you narrow down your choices. Once you've selected the template, it will be sent automatically. Next, let's discuss how to send a template message to customers whose window is still open. You have the flexibility to send a free-form message or select a predefined template message and send it. When the 24-hour window is open, you can even choose to send a special message that isn't an approved template. You have options here. And that's how you can send a template message using the Trikon's offer. Easy, right?